Most candidates fail the new SAP Certified Business Transformation Consultant exam, not because they lack knowledge, but because they are not prepared for AI-driven scenario-based role plays. If you're still studying theory, you're already behind. Because SAP is no longer asking, do you know Signavio or LeanIX? Instead, it asks, can you solve a business transformation challenge under pressure? This is not a traditional knowledge test. It's a performance-based exam where you're expected to think and act like an SAP consultant. You'll analyze processes in Signavio, map architecture in LeanIX, track transformation in Cloud ALM, and validate testing workflows with Tricentis. And in the next few minutes, you'll face a scenario just like the one you'll encounter in the actual exam. Scenario 1, Business Process Breakdown, Signavio Roleplay. Global manufacturing company is facing inefficient order-to-cash processes. You are hired as a business transformation consultant. A global manufacturing company reports delayed order processing, high manual intervention, lack of process transparency. Your task, identify inefficiencies using SAP Signavio. AI. Question 1. What is your first step in analyzing this process? Best response. I will start by mapping the current end-to-end order-to-cash process in SAP Signavio Process Manager to identify bottlenecks, rework loops, and non-value-added activities. AI cross. Question: how do you determine which steps are causing delays? Best response: I will use process mining insights and KPI analysis in SAP Signavio to identify cycle time delays, manual handoffs, and process deviations from the standard model. Exam Reality Insight. This is a SAP performance-based exam task where your ability to interpret process data matters more than memorization. Scenario 2. Enterprise Architecture Mapping, LeanIX. Company is modernizing IT landscape but lacks visibility of applications. Now you move into enterprise architecture mode using SAP LeanIX. The company cannot track redundant applications, system dependencies, legacy risks. Your task: build a transparent enterprise architecture view. AI question: how would you create visibility of the IT landscape? Best response: I would use SAP LeanIX to inventory all applications, map their dependencies, and categorize them based on lifecycle stage, such as active, at risk, or retired. AI cross question: how does this support business transformation? Best response: it enables data-driven decision-making by identifying redundant systems, reducing IT complexity, and aligning architecture with business capabilities. Exam Reality Insight. This reflects real SAP exam scenario-based questions where architecture clarity is key. If you want to practice more real SAP exam simulations, AI role plays, and mock scenarios, you can explore structured practice materials at pass4success.com. It helps you experience SAP exams in a real performance-based format, not just theory. Scenario 3. Transformation, Execution. Ensuring transformation. Rollout is tested and risk-free. Now you step into execution and validation phase. The company is rolling out SAP transformation, but risks include failed integrations, unvalidated processes, missing test coverage. Your task: ensure smooth transformation delivery. AI question: how do you manage transformation tracking and testing? Best response: I will use SAP Cloud ALM to track implementation progress and integrate Tricentis for automated testing to ensure all business processes are validated before go live. AI cross question: what happens if a critical test fails? Best response: I will log the issue in Cloud ALM, analyze root cause, and coordinate with development teams to fix and revalidate before deployment. Exam Reality Insight. This is a direct SAP scenario-based execution task, not theory. Today, you didn't just learn SAP concepts. You performed Signavio process analysis, LeanIX architecture mapping, Cloud ALM transformation execution. This is exactly how the SAP exam works, through real scenario execution. Move to advanced SAP transformation scenarios and practice consistently. Subscribe to this SAP certification playlist. Keep practicing scenario-based questions. Visit pass4success.com for exam simulations, because in SAP exams, You don't pass by reading, you pass by performing.